Here I'm in China, Jinan City, Blue Elephant Factory. This is the biggest factory that producing the CNC machines, different types. So I would like to choose and to buy here machine, 3-axis CNC, and it's very amazing, this factory. It was my first time to reach in China for the purpose of getting here in Blue Elephant Factory. So it was my pleasure. It was my pleasure, and I'm so excited for the machines that I have. So how they are producing the heavy machines. They are producing a lot of machines, different types that can help the ones who wants to improve their works in carpentry, in different designs. So the machines, the machines here in Blue Elephant, it's very professional machines. So and the service is very nice. Price of the machines very nice. It's amazing. So they give me a lot of welcomes. It's very good. They pick you up to the airport. Oh my God, this is amazing. So I would like to invite you, to encourage you, everyone around the world, so to come and get the best service from Blue Elephant Factory for their machines, CNC, for other customs. They do all things good. Okay, thank you.